And welcome, and in this video what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at how to pair our iPad with our BBC Microbit so that we can use Bluetooth to download the programs to the device. Now first off, of course, we need to go to www.microbitworld.me, which is the address on the box, and that would allow us to download this very nice app. Now, if I go to Home, which is the screen you will get straight away, it allows you to go to Connections, which will allow you to pair a new microbit. And we click on the bottom like so. Now, what I've got is I've made sure that my battery cable is properly connected in. And what it says you need to do is to press A and B and reset at the same time and release. So I'm going to go A and B, and then I'm going to push those together, and then I'm going to hold reset and then let go, and then let go, and we shall see if anything happens. And what it is basically saying is pairing mode, and what it's now given me is a code. On my first row I've got 4, on my second row I've got 1, on my third row I've got 3, on my fourth row I've got 4, on my fifth row I've got 1. So we go to next, and what I need to do is go, okay, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. Okay, that should be the same. Double check on it and tap next. Now it says tap next to pair, then ask for a code to press. Okay, let's go to here. Push A, 07752 0 07752 0. So I go 07752 0 and I click pair, and pairing is successful for reset a microbit. Okay, lovely. So I'm very happy with that, and I've got a lovely tick on my microbit there which says that we've paired it properly. I can then go to Home. Now what I then need to do, of course, is go to code. So I'm going to go to create code, and there's various different types that you can use here. JavaScript, Microsoft Touch Developer, Python, but what we're going to start off with is Microsoft Block Editor, and I'm going to go to New Project. Now what this beautifully comes up with is a graphical user interface, or GUI, or GUI as you like to call it, and we've got a microbit here, and this allows us to test things through. And I'm going to do a little test now. You can change the theme if you want to up here by clicking on that, and you can push A and B together if you want to, like there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to a basic, and I'm going to go, okay, there's a string. Now I put that little block command in, it would say hello, so it should say the words HELLO on my screen. But when? So I'm going to go to inputs, I'm going to go, okay, let's put that in like so, and we clip it in on button A. So when you press button A, show string hello. Fantastic. I like the idea of that. Now I might be able to run that over here on my screen, and there you go. I can click it through HELLO. So that's the program, how it should work. That's my little test screen on the side. I've completed it, so I need to compile it. I go compile. Which is transferring it into a program, and you can either download it or open in Microbit. So we're going to click on there. I'm going to go to Flash, and what that's now doing is using Bluetooth to connect and then download the program onto my Microbit. And we're nearly there. Now this allows you to do the download of the program without using any wires at all. However, if you are using your MacBook, you can plug in your USB and download it that way without any problems at all. And we are nearly there. 3, 2, 1. Connecting. Successful. Lovely. So what I should be able to do now is bring this, and I should be able to press A, H, E, L, L, O. And that has successfully done that. If I wanted to reset it, of course, I can click it on there, which you don't need to do because the program stopped running. Push it again, and it will do this, run the program again. And that's as easy as it is.